Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar yen did break up pretty strong today. I think what we have here is most likely this is like impulsive down, either wave A or one. I think it's a one. And then we have an impulsive up A. This is probably three waves down B. And now we're likely going up for wave C. Probably going to go up and take out the high of wave A, or at least retest that high. So 61 or 78% seems pretty likely. And then likely back down for the continuation of the higher time frame downtrend. So anyways, down on the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely be looking for longs. I wouldn't be trying to go long right this minute. I would definitely want to see some sort of a decent little pullback, but I would be trying to get long, especially at the end of three-wave pullbacks, hopefully for the continuation of a wave C to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.